Today is a beautiful day for science. Currently we're looking at an X3.38 that occurred from region 3575, just over the rim. This means that we didn't get to see the full peak of this flare, though probably not too diminishing from what we see here being the extent. So 3.38 solar flare right off the limb. And here we can see that there's a very significant shock wave that was pushed off from this. It's very likely that this event had a large ICME, in which we can actually take a look at on here. Pull that up real quick. Alright, that's the correct thing. Good. Alright, let's get it to where we need to be. And here we are. So this is the imagery from SOHO. And we can see here there is indeed a large amount of plasma that was displaced in interplanetary coronal mass ejection. And in this particular one, I do believe it's going to be grazing, but only very slight. We're not going to see too much from this significantly at all, which is a good thing. But it shows better on stereo ahead. Now keep in mind, stereo ahead is now actually ahead of Earth in two ways, both closer to the sun and ahead of our orbit. This July, or July of last year I should say, 2023, the satellite had passed the point of orbit where it was lined up with Earth and the sun. So it's no longer giving us a preview look of what's happening, rotating into view, but it's going to be showing us what has happened, as it were. So, as such, we're looking at a lot of a particular angle where what we're seeing in this situation doesn't necessarily mean it's focused directly on us. So, all that to say, basically, that this event, even though it looks like it's quite nicely spread there, where it's a good amount of halo showing towards us, it's a little bit less than that actually. Very long explanation to get to there, but we can see here as that eruption goes, it is very much towards the west and very southern as well, southward. Very likely we'll see very little of this, if we see anything at all, but I do believe from what I am looking at on SOHO that we will be seeing a slight, very slight impact from this solar storm. It might give us a nice shock wave, a little bit of solar speed, and maybe even a very low G1 storm. But only time will tell. It's traveling pretty quickly. I haven't measured it yet. There's not enough imagery to do so at a consistent rate, so that'll be later. But there we go. Beautiful storm. Head out into space from an X3.38 launched from region 3575. Peak of the solar flare, the X3.3, was at 1314 on 9 February 2024. And that's the update. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day, and ciao for now. Cheers and science on.